Hello everyone, it's Triple C Notes, Unit 1st, Introduction to Computer Part 3. The next topic is hardware, software and memory. First one, hardware. Hardware refers to the tangible components of a computer system. It refers to physical components of a system that you can see and touch easily. There is mainly three types of hardware. First one, input devices. Devices that would allow users to interact with the computer such as keyboard, mouse and scanners, facilitating the entry of data or commands into the system. Next one, output devices. This category includes monitors and printers that present processed data to the user, translate digital signals into human readable formats. Third one, storage devices like hard disk drive and solid state drive serve repositories of data offering faster access speed due to their non-mechanical nature compared to the traditional SD cards. The example of input devices are keyboard, scanner, trackball, touchpad, touch panel, joystick, mouse, etc. The example of output devices are like monitor, projector, printer, headphones, plotter, etc. And the example of storage devices are like pen drive, hard disk, SSD, memory card, CD, DVD, floppy disk, etc. The next topic is software. Software refers to the set of instruction, data or programs that enable computers to perform a specific task. Software is a computer program that provides a set of instruction to execute a user's command and tell the computer what to do. We can't touch the software. Types of software. First one, system software. Operating system are fundamental software that manage hardware resources and provides a user interface serving as the backbone of the computing process. It connects to the user to the hardware. Second one, application software. Application softwares are programs designed for end users such as word processor and spreadsheet applications tailored to specific tasks to enhance productivity. Third one, utility software. Utilities provide essential services like antivirus and disk management, optimizing the performance and security of the system. Fourth one, development software. IDEs, compilers, and debugging tools are vital for programming, enabling developers to create, test, and maintain application efficiently. Next topic is memory. Memory is the most essential element of computing system. Without it, computer can't perform any task. We can measure the unit of storing the data in memory. Basically, memory is used to store data, information, and programs. These are stored in the form of binary digits. There are two main categories of memory. First one, primary memory, that is also known as temporary memory, and second one, secondary memory, that is also known as permanent memory. It's a chart of memory. There are two categories. First one, primary memory, and second one, secondary memory. Primary memory has two categories, RAM and ROM, random access memory and read-only memory. Secondary memory contain hard disk, CD, DVD, floppy disk, etc. Now it's a chart of memory unit. We all know that the smallest unit of computer memory is bit. Then we can measure the memory or data or information in KB, MB, GB, TB, PB, HB, ZB, YB, BB, and GB. Thank you. We will meet in the next unit of Triple C Notes.